have a brand new bumper. Is raw plastic. It's gonna go additional promoter first, and then it's gonna go sealer on it, and then we go for paint. That's the blend panel, but sometimes because we're gonna blend it, so it's already gonna cover, so we fix it. If someone here on the blending panel, we don't fix. So what I usually do, I make it wet my clothes, and one hand I have wet and one hand dry. So go like this. So make sure you have the other dry cloth in your hand. It's the 1.3. It's at a 4000 BRP. So it's pretty old gun, but it's still pretty nice. So that's the additional bumper. You can see it's just like it's not much on it. The more you make it wet, it's gonna start dripping, or it's gonna look like fish eyes. I have a sealer with the 3M gun with the orange tip. Because we repaired this area already, we have a high build primer on it. We're not gonna seal it. On sealer, we have a 20 minutes for flash time. So you can see it's pretty clean, but if not, because raw plastic always keep dust here there. So we're gonna knock it down before we start painting. Couple spots, you can see it. So I knock it down with a 1500 sandpaper, and make sure when you finish it, before you start applying paint, make sure go for Tack at it again. So I have a base gun in my hand. We're gonna go back and forth, 2 coats on it, and I have a 4600 Xtreme base gun. water base always looks different when it's wet. So we're gonna wait for the dry. Two things: you have blower in your hand, make it dry quick. If we are busy, basically I don't waste time. So I have a couple of dust spots. So I have 1500 again in my hand. We're gonna just sand a little bit, kill that edge. So make sure before you apply clear, tag rag it again, whole job again. So basically, that's the area you can see here. The color is like more, it's like less and less. It's nothing here. So if you tag rag it, you can see the way you blend it. See the color. That's when you tag rag it on the blending spot. So make sure take that out. Go all over again. So it's two ways: take all the edges and go walk the whole job, or you can go panel by panel. If you're gonna go panel by panel, so make sure don't stop on the edges, because most painters make the drapes on the edges. You can tell you don't need it on second coat, but we have to, because we recommend 2 clear coats on it. So this gun is like so beautiful. We have 5-minute flash time. I'm gonna go back, mix, and again clear coat. So when you're ready for second clear coat, that's the other thing you can tell like it's ready or not. So it's still like it's too watery, then don't apply it, but it's pretty good for the second clear coat. that's it. We all done. Finished. This came out pretty nice. Make sure don't miss your steps. It's all about the cleaning, your edges, your masking.